GPT-4 is history, with Meta's Llama 3 outperforming it, but that's not even the best part. It's an open source. Can Llama 3 become the next AI revolution? The open-source Llama 3 model, which Meta recently unveiled, is an AI with incredible capabilities that surpass its own previous models. Mark Zuckerberg revealed that this model is now integrated into Meta's applications and has real-time access to data from Bing and Google.
All right, big day here. We are releasing the new version of Meta AI, our assistant that you can ask any question across our apps and glasses. And our goal is to build the world's leading AI and make it available to everyone. Now, today we are upgrading Meta AI with Llama, our new state-of-the-art AI model that we're open sourcing. And I'm going to go deeper on Llama 3 in just a minute, but the bottom line is that we believe that Meta AI is now the most intelligent AI assistant that you can freely use. To make Meta AI even smarter, we've also integrated real-time knowledge from Google and Bing right into the answer. We're also making Meta AI much easier to use across our apps.
Particularly, the 8 billion piece model, which is nearly as good as the largest Llama 2 model, Llama 3, performs incredibly well. Also, they have a massive 70 billion piece model that excels at even math and problem solving. What plans do Meta have in store for its AI development? With the integration of their AI assistant, Meta is making it plain that their goal is to develop the greatest AI available and make it available to all. This means that users will now be able to ask any question and receive prompt responses thanks to this connectivity with their other apps, including Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, and Facebook. The Llama 3 model from Meta certainly ups the levels by utilizing real-time data from Bing and Google. This means that you will receive the most up-to-date and important information when you ask a question, unlike the free version of ChatGPT that gives you information only up to a certain time period. But that's not the end of Llama 3's abilities. Llama 3 also adds some really cool new features. You don't have to be an AI designer anymore to make animations because Llama 3 will help you there as well. These days, you can quickly generate animations and crisp visuals, and they will refresh as you type. Now let's take a look at the Llama models. The most recent version of Meta, Llama 3, comes with major improvements. With a sophisticated tokenizer, that is a part that divides text into smaller chunks, that can manage a vocabulary of 128,000 tokens, it enhances performance and streamlines language processing. A vast dataset of more than 15 trillion tokens from publicly accessible sources was used to train Llama 3, making it 7 times larger and 4 times more code-heavy than Llama 2. For Meta, unlocking the Llama 3 models was a significant move. They're accelerating innovation and producing better products by making it available to everyone. It's also a win-win situation because it advances overall development in scientific and medical studies in addition to helping Meta better its own goods. What's impressive is the first set of Llama 3 models that Meta has released. Their models have high-performance standards with 88 billion and 70 billion parameters, respectively. How does Llama 3 compete with other AI models? Llama 3 is a benchmark machine, which cannot currently be outdone. Its superior performance over other top models, such as the Claude 3 Sonnet, shows that it has immense power. With the launch of Llama 3, Meta has entered the quickly developing field of artificial intelligence. Llama 3 is one of the top 5 language models according to Chatbot OpenArena benchmarks, closely behind industry leaders like GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4, Claude Opus, and Gemini Pro. While rivals such as OpenAI and Anthropic were grabbing attention with their model releases, Meta AI was quietly developing the upcoming Llama models in the background. An important step forward has been taken in their continuous attempts to improve natural language processing with the introduction of Llama 3. With this most recent version, Meta AI hopes to maintain its position as a market leader in LLM by giving academics and developers an effective tool to utilize creativity and produce groundbreaking applications. You may be wondering what is so unique about the training data set of a Llama 3. It's enormous. 7 times larger than the previous version, containing 4 times as much code and a high-quality non-English data set spanning more than 30 languages. That has a lot of data power. Meta isn't merely putting a Llama 3 out there and crossing their fingers. They take responsible use very seriously. Although all the details are unknown to us, we may assume that they are implementing safeguards as well to ensure proper use of the model. Llama 3 is the largest and most sophisticated AI model produced by Meta to date. Although slightly behind the best language models available, it is ranked in the top 5. They've made sure it remains current with the most recent information, including models like the GPT-4 Turbo. They used a massive data set comprising more than 15 trillion data points from open sources to train it. Regular testers find it to be more user-friendly than competing models. Initially designed to support more than 30 languages, it will eventually be further optimized for additional languages. The very fact that a Llama 3 is an open-source GPT-4 class model is going to do so much for the AI world. This has the potential to significantly upend the AI industry. With this incredibly potent tool, developers could create a huge range of new systems and applications. Ahead are exciting times. Meta has tested this AI in a variety of scenarios to ensure that it functions properly and that it would be beneficial to people. Additionally, they are developing a 400 billion piece model, which will be significant in the field of artificial intelligence. There is a slight catch, though. Accessing the new website for this model without the use of a VPN, a specialized internet tool, might be challenging due to regulations in Europe and the UK. Meta certainly has future plans as well. In the future, Meta intends to build a massive 400 billion piece model for it. It's still not too bulky or difficult to operate, even with the additional security safeguards they've implemented to keep it safe. Furthermore, it is freely accessible, which shows Meta's desire for AI to be user-friendly for all. Llama 2 has been greatly improved with this big upgrade, which offers improved performance across key metrics. Additionally, they announced the creation of Meta AI, a project aimed at expanding the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Because of its cost, speed, and versatility, developers and tech enthusiasts have embraced the Llama series in large numbers, in contrast to models like GPT-4 and Claude, which are primarily intended for private usage. However, Meta didn't limit its attention to common benchmarks. Additionally, Llama 3 was optimized for useful, real-world scenarios. In order to do this, they developed a brand new, superior human evaluation set that included 1,800 questions across 12 essential categories, including guidance, ideation, coding, creative writing, and more. Let's do a quick check on the outcomes of Llama 3 now. The data indicates that Llama 3's 70B model has shown remarkable performance in various real-world situations, with a win percentage of 63.7% against Meta Llama 2, 63.2% over GPT 3.5, 59.3% over Mistral Medium, and 52.9% against Claude Sonnet. Llama 3 was frequently chosen by human assessors over other models. According to the preference score provided by human assessors, Meta's pre-trained Llama 3 model has raised the bar for LLMs operating at this scale. Meta is working on even more ambitious goals. They have declared that they are working on a much-awaited model that would have over 400 billion parameters and be revealed in the upcoming months. As we look at these advancements, it is evident that Meta is clearly leading the AI race rather than merely following it, constantly coming up with new ideas to improve the functionality and usability of its Llama models. Do you think Llama 3 will be the next big thing? Let us know in the comments below, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.